Do you wish your family actually looked forward to cleaning? It's easier than you think. Let's face it, getting everyone to help clean can feel like a battle sometimes. But what if it felt more like a game night and less like a struggle?
One of my favorite ways to get my toddler excited to clean is to turn it into a game. We'll turn some music on, pretend we're playing basketball or whatever it may be, and this instantly changes the mood and gets her excited to help out.
Another way that we keep chores really fun in our house, especially for my kiddos and the whole family to be involved, is with a visual checklist or a fun chore chart. Once they've been able to check off all of their tasks, they are able to get a reward. This gives my kids something to be excited about when they are cleaning and not having to put so much pressure on it at all, because they know at the end of it, they are gonna be rewarded for helping mom. So we do this with age-appropriate tasks and with age-appropriate rewards as well. This looks a little different for all of my kids. They're different ages. We often do stickers or a tree. It feels like a reward to them is something that I highly recommend. The last way that we make chores really fun in our house is by doing teamwork motivation. So this is something that is a reward for our entire family, not just individual rewards. When we all complete our big weekly deep clean of the house, this is something my whole family looks forward to. At the end of the night, we will do a movie night with popcorn and ice cream and make it really fun for the kids. It almost becomes a tradition. We have our one day where we do our deep cleaning, and then we get to have a really fun evening after that. And this be a team effort with the whole family. It really takes the pressure off the kiddos because they see everybody, mom, dad, and their siblings are helping clean, and it makes it so much easier for everybody to want to get it done as quick as they can. Those are my 3 tips for making cleaning really fun, and 100% recommend celebrating the little wins, especially if you have kids. This is how we make cleaning fun as a family.
Truly Free makes cleaning fun and safe for the whole family, and since their products are free from harsh chemicals, I can even allow my kids to help me create the cleaners each time. This honestly adds another level of excitement for my kids in the cleaning process because they get to be a part of every single step.
Truly Free makes turning chores into cheers, and if you want to get some more information on how to get Truly Free in your home, just check the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more non-toxic and clean living tips from Truly Free.